The CAT plus Doppler blood pressure kit from Thames Medical. What's in the box? Inside the handy carry case is everything you will need to either take a blood pressure from cats and dogs or other species, or to monitor the quality of blood flow under anaesthesia on any species with a pulse. Let's have a look inside. Each kit comes complete with a manual detailing technique, including how to take diastolic as well as systolic pressures, a set of quality JVC headphones to avoid disturbing other people or patients, 2 rechargeable batteries with a country-specific charger. You can also use high-quality disposable batteries, a quality trigger-controlled sphygmomanometer or pumpy dialy thing, which is easy to use and has a 10-year warranty. Note the female lure connector to mount any of the 5 different sized wipe-clean cuffs which come as standard. These cuffs are pre-measured to give us close to a 40% cuff width to limb circumference as possible. From a size 5, fitting limb circumference of 8 to 15, through size 4, 3, 2, right down to the little size 1 for really small patients, 4 to 8 centimetres limb circumference. A bottle of ultrasound gel to aid good quality signal, and finally the CAT Doppler itself. The CAT Doppler has an adjustable volume control and headphone socket. The flat probe is small enough to get into the smallest areas, but importantly is large enough to easily hold and manipulate, and gives a nice surface to tape to should you wish to secure the probe, for example for constant monitoring during anaesthesia. This is the kit. It comes complete with everything you could possibly need.